firstly I painted my whole face and body in this pale green paint. I then went into this dark green pigment from the Earth palette and I just started to shade and contour around the face. I added a purple pigment around the eye to create this zombie look, and then I went into this eyeshadow palette and I went into a bit more purple and also the yellow shade and a dark green just to create this like bruised zombie eye. I then penciled in my eyebrows using a black eyebrow pencil, but I did them a bit more up at the end to kind of follow the classic Bride of Frankenstein makeup. I then went into this red face paint and I started to paint lines around my face where I wanted these stitches to be. I then went into this dark purple pigment and I started to just shade around the red lines, and this just makes it look a bit more 3D. To make the cuts look more realistic, I then painted a fine black line around one side of the red line. I then went into a white face paint and I just added highlights along the red line, and this makes it look like blood. And I also added a white highlight to one edge of the red line as well, and this just kind of makes it look like the skin's coming up a bit. I then painted black stitches along all of the red cuts. Then went back into the dark purple pigment and I just painted like dots around the edges of the stitches, and this just makes it look like it's actually coming out of the skin. I then went back into the white face paint and I just added highlights along the stitches. I popped in some pale blue contact lenses, and then I went into this glitter set from Eco Stardust and I went into this purple and green colour which I keep using, and I applied some glitter primer to my eyelids and I popped that all over my eyelids, and I also went into a fine green glitter from them and I added that around the edge. I added some false eyelashes and I put on this bright red lipstick, and this is the finished look for my Bride of Frankenstein. Hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.